What up, what up? This is your boy ZKam, Zimbabwe Kid. And this is Shout Out Wednesday. Basically, I'd like to shout out my dude, Skank Daddy, and his whole crew over there in the UK. Check out his YouTube channel. We got a couple of things in the works, and pretty soon we're gonna roll it out for you guys to check out. So check out youtube.com/Seech7 SEECH7, and that's his YouTube channel. I'm not sure what his Twitter page is, but I'll find that out and probably tell you guys in the description box. So yeah, check him out, subscribe to his channel, check out his videos, and y'all get on some of that grind, man. It's good music, good rap, and that's what that is. So ZK Zimbabwe Kid, Zimbo Nexus, as always. Peace.